Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel, the AI Times, the Unlocking the Future Newsletter. Welcome to my show. Yeah, this video is come a little bit late because I'm too much busy in my own work. So yeah, let's start my first latest AI newsletter. So what is the first newsletter? Is later about OpenAI starts work on iPhone of AI. One week issues a total recall after a death. Apple aims to cool hot new iPhones. Google leaks a Pixel 8 AI upgrades. Rewind introduce a Rewind Pendant. So then we have a second section, AI research paper related to the 8 latest AI tools. And last, I will be sharing a prompt training which led to ChatGPT prompt and a mid-journey prompt. So I'm not wasting your time. So let's start my first AI news. OpenAI starts work on the iPhone of AI. Something really great news. So what is this news is related to? Yeah, that is so. The report has been saying about that. And OpenAI is in collections with Apple's former VP of Industrial Citizens, John Ivey, is driving into a venture term the iPhones of AI with a reported $1 billion in backing from the SoftBank and CEO Miss Yush Sun. Yes, what are the key points? Well, here's an whole related articles on that and which more details in it, and yeah, it's everything in the details in that, but that's one is summarized one, so I've been reading that. So what is the key points in there? The ambitious is to redefine users interactions with AI, moving beyond the current models, which is although are functions on a devices like laptops and iPhones, one are experiencing designs for this purposes. The end of goal is to lessen the dependency on the screens of interacting with our computers and focuses entirely on wireless voice detections. Johnny Ivy involvement in bringing to rich legacy of designing an iconic Apple products, which could prove to be a magic wand elevating OpenAI to the next levels. This week has been momentarily for the Chat GPT teams. Revolutions announces voice detections as image recognition features, browsing with a Bing features reintroduced the iPhones of AI. Why should we care? With this announcement and progresses of the companies like Neuralink, we would not be surprised if AI wearables becomes a commonplace in the next decades. What do you think? And can you see yourself with a ChatGPT wearable, a Neuralink implant? So yeah, that was really great news. And so everything article is written in that, but I will use the summarized ones. If you want to read this, go on that, you can get this article. So second, related to the, yeah, this one's about the one wheel issues are totally recalled after a death. So yeah, what's it? That's not a good news for the tech and for the futures. One wheel. What the report? One wheel is a maker of future motions, recalling all static like self-balancing burned from the boards after four reported deaths between 2019 and 2021 after the previous business warnings. Well, the key point is future immersions is now voluntarily recalling every on one wheel solid after publicly funding with a CPSC or issuing a recall and 2022 customers will never models will get a software updated adding safety alerts, but original models must be discredited for $100 credit. This follows a crashes from the one wheel legally multifunctioning with pushes to their limits despite the future motions previously claiming it found no issues. Rebellions having a massive recalls and customer threats after actively funding with customers product safety commissions is not a great look, and let hope additional safety features and the recall can help a better product redesigns going forward. So yeah, that's not a good consumer. Not getting these products safer ones, well, because this using for the young communities, and young these products are using by young communities, and I think so they should come up with a protective guidance so they can use easy and more profitable and to make usable and in future ones. So yeah, yeah, that's not good news for them for one bill, but they are coming and they are being doing new thing to make a safer ones that product to reach out to customers in a safe way, and how to use and update the features in this. So well, I have not tried, I have not seen this, but issues found in 1922 about the about this product. Yes, and yeah, that's not good news for that. I hope they will get a redesign this product and make any uh, challenging previous getting warning from the customers, and something that they come up with better solutions for that product, so the customers can buy and yes, use these products of one week. So yeah, that was my second news. My third one goes to Apple aims to cool a hot new iPhones. What reports the newest iPhones are sizzling and not on a good way. Apple said fixes are in the works of the software issues and are causing iPhone 15 models to overheat and become too hot to handle, sparking complaints. So yeah, that's not a good news. So they are getting hotter and when they are using the iPhone 15. Yes, what a key point is a big in iOS 17 along with app problems like Instagrams are blaming for excessive heat. Apple's addressing both ends. Apple said no safety risk prevent iPhone 15 issues in the meantime, but the issues threaten sales and momentum. The overheating has gained attention aimed at existing consumers about Apple's sales slump prior to September have been increases. What this means, the newest iPhones was too hot to handle the headlines to write themselves. Apple will likely pitch this up quickly, meaning the next time your phone will overheat is when we start an inevitable getting FOMO for the shiny new releases in a year. So yeah, that's not good news for the any Apples if their phone has been getting more heating, and that's not as you've been as well. That's articles about who written on this. User tech giant has said software big tied to Meta on app was among to reach for users report latest ranges. Smartphones becomes too hard to touch with performing a certain task. So yeah, that otherwise also can get hot when using apps such as video gaming and augmented reality technology that requires to processing power. But the heating issues with the iPhone 15 models have gone beyond this typical situations. It's acknowledged that Apple is stressed that trouble is not related to the new titanium casing that houses the high-end iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max instead of the stainless steels and used on older smartphones. Yeah, that's not a good news for them. Apple is trying to boost their sales by raising the starting pricing for its top of the line iPhone 15 Pro Max by $1,020 and increasing for $100 or 9% from the last year flagships models. With the 15 overheating issues, Apple said that the plan to software updated and would not impact the iPhone's performance, which analysts had warned this possibility. Oh well, I think they have solved issues, saying they are overheating by using this strong apples or sorry high profile apples or high profile apps, and iPhone's getting heating more. Yes, that's not a good news for Apple, but they are saying that updating the software that may cause no heating. Mm. So that was news related to that. So then I have it my fourth month. Google sticks the Pixel 8 AI upgrades as Google gets ready for its Pixels events on October 4 on X. Twitter users by the name of the ASEAN Lip in just leaked an upcoming Pixel 8 and revealing a new AI features. What the key details in this leaked 8 features the process of transforming data to Pixel 8. The details features some of the phone's AI features like best take, which allows users to sweep up faces with others' photos and magic easers. Apart from the AI functionalities, the upcoming Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro models will also support a first party silicon colors and various colors. What matters? It is clear Google is going all out for the AI industries with the accidentally leaked their new AI features for the Pixel 8. These announcements comes straight off the heel of the OpenAI recent venture in creating the iPhones of the AI continents. So yeah, well, as far as the weak points about Pixel 8 highlights 8 features, and I have read it my shorter articles. Yes, detail in that. Then my last AI news is related to the Rewind introduced a Rewind Pendant. The robot, popular AI platforms, Rewind just introduced a Rewind Pendant, a wearable necklace that captures what you say and here in the real world, allowing you to summarize your days and using AI. So interesting. The Rewind is an AI app that records that you see across your computers. With new Pendant now bringing these features to the real world, the Rewind Pendant is powered by everything you have seen, said, or heard, and allows you to summarize that information using AI. But it is also is available in a pro order for $59. The site is emphasizes the privacy, so that it offers features to ensure one is recorded without their consent, but fails to elaborate what on that. While benefits of the pen for users with ADHD and memory issues is clear, it is hard not to about the serious privacy implications of the wearing recording as device 24/7, and is causing a quite a controversy across the social media. So yeah, that was my last news, and it was related to the rewind, to these rewinds. And here's you can get a priority access for this, where you can find over the pricing over there, and there's a website over there. You can play this. Well, I can play, but I can right now. I not. Yes, the whole deal in this. So yeah, if you want to use it, go and reach out the rewind. Yes, use these cases. You can see this. There are executives, engineering, sales, ADHD. You can go on about sections, and yeah, whole detail in this. That was my last sessions with the OpenAI, and they are the team over there about Rewind behind the team. Yes, yeah, it's good. Yeah, was my last AI news, and I'm going to my second session, which is related to the AI research paper. For first research AI paper is related to the effective long context scaling for foundations models. Meta presents an innovative approaches to long context scaling of foundations models. In the research paper, they introduce a series of long context language models (LLMs) of context windows up to 3,760 tokens. These models are built through a continental printing and executives evolutions, demonstrating improvements in a various language tasks, including a long context task. They also introduce an instructions training procedure, which enhances the models of performance on long context benchmarks, human evaluations, result suggestions, and the models performing competitively against the proprietary models in terms of helpfulness, honesty, and harmlessness. The study sheds light on effectiveness of long context LLM in a various application. Well, here's an effective long context scaling of foundations models research paper, and these are people who have been working on this model, and there you can find a abstract how the models work, and you can find an introduction of this long language model LLM strengths with an unprecedented magnitude of data and compute hold the promises of the fundamental improving the way we interacted with the digital world as LLM get rapidly deployed and continue to evolve through scaling and emergence these models to serve a more interactive and complex use case such as analyzing dense knowledge rich documents proving more genuine and engaging chatbot experience and aiding human users and creations process such as coding designs etc and crucial features supporting these evolutions in the ability to effectiveness and processing of long context inputs. So yeah, you can see a method or continuous spread training, introduction training. A method has been working on what type of methods they are applied on it and how they perform it. And you can see these values over there, these charts over there, and the graph over there. You can find this how good this they are, believe me. And yeah, there's a distance between query and the key tokens the figure decades raw attractions of explored in a positional encoding variants. Yes, it's really great research paper and people have been working on and they have posted on social media and you can find a conclusion what they find in and acknowledge references over the each and everything. Then if you want this go and comments on my YouTube channel below. I will give you this research paper, available research paper. Yes. And my second research paper related to the Rirwana testifying a clip data. In this paper, the researcher revealed the data of creation process behind the consecutive large language images pre-training CLIP basis the proved role of the high quality training and a CLP success. They introduced meta data created language images pre-training projects to create the balanced training data and outperforming CLP basis benchmarks. They studied the shades of light and including sub-string matches, invited balancing sands. Yeah, that was Wilmus again, and I'll be sharing with you that was demonstrated swing slip data. You find these people names, and they've been working on this. New York City, University of Washington, abstracted over the introductions of the deep learning as a revolutionary with the field of the artificial intelligence and its pre-trained models have played a pivotal demonstrating access to cutting-edge AI capabilities. However, this training data creates these models of frequency public should be in scary. So yeah, that was introduction of this model. So this is paper related work was data planning and established data sets replicating CLP training data. So yeah, Meta clip. You find each and everything in this. Believe me, yeah, this is great. It's great resources and resources paper. Yes, and yes, and working with research papers, valuable research paper conclusion on it, what they find in these papers. We attempt CLP data creations, meta CLIP builds upon metadata for the creations and balancing of raw data and sources from the web. Creations with the metadata and balancing are essential for the good data quality, significantly outperforming the use of the raw data. Experiment shows that the meta CLIP performance well for the different scales sourced from the common curable data and outperform the CLP proprietary. So we make our pipeline for generating the data publicly and available. So yeah, that was abstract of this search paper. Almost that's the end of the second session there. Then I'm coming towards my third sections, what is related to the trading AI tools. So yeah, what is the trading AI tools? My first one is the screen time for Windows measures your productivity and receive AI suggestions. So what's my first is for use screen time on your Windows PC, track app and website users with a screen time. So go and sign up for this Mount app. Yeah, future app. Yes, measure your productivity and get AI suggestions. Go and sign this app and use this. Yeah, it's one free one. Sorry, it's the premium version. Go and sign up and elaborate more on it. Receives a SMS online that much instead of free and disposable SMS solutions. What is this app is this? Receives SMS online temporary phone number from a 50 plus countries. Yeah, that was SMS from country. Go and sign up and elaborate it. Share PayPal, more. So yeah, free for servicing for receiving SMS messages for voicemails online. There is no need to register. Just select your phone number and from list below you can use it. Receive some messages from Facebook, Telegram, or WeChat. Or all this from Canada, United States. You can find this over there. I think we can find over data and inactive numbers. Sign up and login. That must be good. Inactive numbers of people. So I'm going with my remote base build and a full-time remote base developers. So that was true. This is related to the higher top 1% remote developer within 24 hours. Build your team to private highly skilled software developer best match your time zones models. Save your time. Reportable history. Okay, Nate, go and sign for this type remote base. Looks great and make your team. Yes, we're working on a project. Yes, and my third one is pretty an no code automations tool enhance your workflow and productivity. Yes, automations are now easy and texting a friend. Meet about an AI delegated work. It's great ones. Go and sign up for this ones. Then we have Jasper, an AI copywriter assistant that can generate any kind of the marketing copy. Yes, it's one little the Jasper. Automations is now easy and texting and friendly. And try it for free. Yes, and then we have a go for Luca, an AI powered platform to design a logo and build a brand in seconds. It's really good ones. You can find over Jasper's really good ones. Going with the Luca designs your own beautiful brands. Use Luca AI powered platforms to design a logo and brand you love. You pretty me great ones tools. Go and sign for this. Just go and sign up and explore it more. Well, then we have a marvelous AI reads your videos and generates everything in a seconds. Morsa AI. That looks great. Morsa never worry about a video description against YouTube. There is already worry about the mixed videos. Easier to change you go viral. Go on morsa.ai and got start with this too. Yes, this looks great, nice and well. And then we have GPT-0 detect whether an essay is a GPT, GPT or a human written link like this. Go and use this GPT-0. Well, I have shared this once GPT-0. Yeah, but you can go and more than AI detection preserves what are humans. We bring a transparency and a humans navigated world filled with AI content. GPT-0 goal detection strengths detect GPT-0 brain llama and AI models. Go and sign up with these tools. It's really good tools. Yeah, It was really great editing with the yes, it looks great tools. And I think so. Going with my last sections, which is related to the prompt tutorial, and my first prompt tutorial is to the ChatGPT prompt. So generate a list of professional career paths for a career, analyze and interests, and give me 11 possible options. So here's an bracket. You can see the career. What is your career? You think you are an engineer and doctor, and what is your career path in this, and you are, and which thing you are interested in this as a as an engineer or as a doctor. Yes, and so it will analyze your possible options on that. Yes, go and try this, copy and paste on this your on your GPT prompt, and whichever AI tools you're using in text prompt. So go, and that will give you valuable things and give you more details, and you can analyze it, and you can think about this and give you really great prompt over there. Great text. Yes, I think that will help you. Yes, so analyze. Yes, analyze good things. So my second is related to the mid journey prompt. So yeah, that is isometric art. Is just an art, an isometric art, and go how it's struck and how you can draw this isometric art. Isometric art of a cup of coffee with a creative and ideas flowing, dreamy summer and color plated enthusiastic minimal designs, and it will design your something like that isometric art, and it's really good. And it's journey if you go, and it can be used for the Anadoli too, or whichever you're using, or the Anado, what type of imaginations you're using an app. Yes, but now you can use an journey prompt, so that will create you like that images. You can try different ones over there, giving own text or giving your own ideas on it. So yeah, I hope that's it, and that's it. Today's my AI times. I hope like my all my sessions, and do let me in my views, so I come up with a new and great news and more about great news about the AI tools. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, everyone.